25 creative strategies to elevate your brand awareness. 1. Master the art of storytelling. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Infuse your brand story into every aspect of your communication, from website copy to social media posts. 2. Unleash the power of visuals. High quality, captivating visuals can instantly grab attention and leave a lasting impression. Invest in professional photography, infographics, and short videos to make your brand stand out. 3. Embrace the influencer wave. Partner with relevant influencers in your niche to tap into their engaged audience and gain valuable credibility. 4. Think outside the box with collaborations. Team up with complementary brands for cross-promotional campaigns. This can open doors to new audiences and foster fresh creative ideas. 5. Make your voice heard. Establish a unique and consistent brand voice across all your communication channels. This helps build trust and recognition with your audience. 6. Become a content creation kingpin. Regularly produce valuable and engaging content that your target audience will love. This could include blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, or infographics. 7. Host interactive events. Organize workshops, webinars, or contests to actively engage your audience and create a memorable brand experience. 8. Gamify your marketing. Incorporate game mechanics like points, badges, and leaderboards into your marketing campaigns to boost engagement and incentivize action. 9. Give back to the community. Sponsor local events, support charities, or volunteer your time. Giving back not only builds goodwill but also increases brand awareness. 10. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your brand on social media. User-generated content is authentic and trustworthy, making it highly effective for building brand awareness. 11. Embrace the power of word of mouth. Incentivize your customers to refer your brand to their friends and family. 12. Get creative with packaging. Make your packaging stand out from the competition. It can be a powerful tool for brand storytelling and creating a lasting impression. 13. Pop up in unexpected places. Surprise and delight your audience with temporary pop-up shops or installations in unexpected locations. 14. Partner with local businesses. Collaborate with local businesses for cross-promotions or joint events. This is a great way to support your community and reach new customers. 15. Celebrate every milestone. Share your successes, big and small, with your audience. This helps build excitement and engagement. 16. Run contests and giveaways. Host regular contests and giveaways to incentivize engagement and attract new followers. 17. Get active on social media. Regularly post engaging content on relevant social media platforms and interact with your audience. 18. Leverage social listening tools. Monitor online conversations about your brand and industry to gain valuable insights and refine your strategy. 19. Experiment with paid advertising. Utilize targeted social media ads or search engine marketing to reach a wider audience. 20. Get featured in the media. Pitch your brand story to journalists and bloggers to gain valuable media exposure. 21. Offer free trials or samples. Give potential customers a chance to experience your product or service firsthand. 22. Partner with educational institutions. Sponsor scholarships or workshops at local colleges or universities to reach a young and engaged audience. 23. Make sustainability a priority. Highlight your commitment to sustainability in your marketing efforts. This resonates with eco-conscious consumers. 24. Embrace artificial intelligence. Utilize AI-powered tools to personalize your marketing messages and improve customer experience. 25. Track and analyze your results. Continuously monitor your marketing efforts and adapt your strategy based on data-driven insights. By implementing these creative strategies, you can effectively raise brand awareness and build meaningful connections with your target audience. Remember, the key is to be authentic, engage your audience, and consistently deliver value. With dedication and creativity, you can watch your brand reach new
चाहते हैं
heights.
कि अच्छी से अच्छी वीडियोस हम और भी लाते रहें और अच्छी से अच्छी चीज़ें आपको दिखाते रहें। उसके लिए आप प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए, जिससे कि हम और भी इंस्पायर होकर और कुछ अच्छी वीडियोस कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें आप तक पहुंचा सकें।